and shortcomings will be exposed. So he is in fact a wretched person. There is another rubric is exclusive too. What is exclusive? So something that is exclusive is limited to people who have a lot of money or who belong to a high social class and is therefore not available to everyone. So exclusive is one who wants to keep his unique identity, meaning no one else possesses things like him. Exclusive things means they are the property or uniqueness of one person. So society, shop, etc. Things having other brands will not be allowed to enter that area. Example, exclusive Bata showrooms means this shop has only Bata shoes and shoes of other brands are not sold here. Example, a person who can blow flute with his nose. So no one else can do that. So it means he is an exclusive artist of that art. Example, the child exclusively takes milk only. So he is so exclusive that he takes milk only. Meaning exclusive things has its own uniqueness or peculiarities. So he wants to maintain this peculiarity under all circumstances because it makes him a special person, different from others. He does not want to lose his peculiarity because it gives a distinguished identity to him, which can shine separately even in the crowd, because this gives him a sense of superiority. In the core of his heart, he feels himself wretched, but he wants to look superior and exclusive, so he makes many false pretensions. Means, so this amounts to the rubric affectation. So this is not egotism. He feels that the natural laws applicable to everyone are not meant for him. He is exclusive and above all laws. So everything connected with him is superior and is above natural laws. For example, a man purchased a piece of land to construct his house. Everyone suggested to him that the size and location of the plot is not good. The plot size is such that good, comfortable house cannot be built on it, and the location is also such that no development will take place in this area, and you will have to face all kind of problems if you live in this house. But he did not care about anybody's advice, as he thinks himself a different kind of personality or superior personality, so nothing wrong will happen with him, as all that happens with others. So he purchased the land, made a building plan himself, and started living in that house after building it. Very soon after he started living in the house, all kinds of problems he started facing due to that house. But he did not give up. He felt that this house belongs to him, a special person, so not to any Dick, Tom and Harry. So he will design it in such a way that others are proved wrong, and he will show that he is a brilliant chap, and his mind has a mind intelligence which no one else has. So these are all stupid people, means the one who thinks themselves exclusive are stupid people. So he tried for very long to make house comfortable by changing many things in the house, but the house could neither be made comfortable nor the development of the area that took place. Now he is anguished due to this, but he cannot show it to his relatives because they have already warned him. So he is taking the help of affectation to hide that he is not happy with the house. So to everyone he shows that he is very happy with the house because this belongs to him. He means a royal person, intelligent person. So the rubrics are affectation and secretive. So he is trying to look happy, though he is not, but he is in a very miserable condition. So keeping his happiness a secret. But this house is so much troublesome that anyone who comes to meet him can feel that the person is not happy. In this house he is facing lots of problems, and also when that he is looking miserable, means wretched to everyone, and also feel that people are just taking pity on him due to this bad condition and foolish. Instead of proving himself to be exclusive and elegant, he was exposed as a idiot person. So he considers everything belong to him as a unique, superior, which is absolutely a false notion, meaning he thinks whatever gets connected to him becomes special. Natural laws are not applicable on him and his belongings as they are above all natural laws. This is his exclusiveness. For example, the GI pipe used for water supply system in his residence vicinity have all rusted and become useless. But he is using the same kind of GI pipe for water supply system for his own house too, thinking that these pipes in the house would not rust because he thinks that people in the neighborhood do not know how to fit the pipes properly. So they do not have that much intelligence. They are all idiots. So I will show them how the GI pipe should be fitted. So he puts adhesive tape around the pipes to save them from getting rusted. Due to these tapes, the pipes remain well all the time. So they got rusted earlier than their neighbors' pipes. Now he has been proved as an idiot in the eyes of others, but he thinking he is really not an idiot. This reality he becomes aware only when he looks in the mirror, meaning introspect himself genuinely. So he is giving different type of explanations how the pipe got rusted so early. So he always does something of this kind, thinking himself and his belongings above the natural laws and others. For example, he has no knowledge about the share market. When he saw that many people have earned a lot of money from shares and many are also losing a lot, he never considered this aspect because he thinks the one who have lost money have done so because of their own idiotic acts. So he is not an idiot but higher than others. So he put all this hard earned money in the share market without consulting anyone. So he invested in such unknown low profile shares in which no one invest anything. I will show that how the profit can be earned out of these shares also, meaning he is considering himself superior to others. So after some times all these shares disappeared from the market and lost all his money and he becomes poor. And now he is facing a lot of problem. All his problems are visible to everyone. Now he thinks that people when they saw him in trouble might be thinking that he is a unhappy person, means wretched person, and are taking pity on him due to his miserable conditions. But he does not want to let anyone know about his trouble and weakness, so he avoids mixing with people. So now this behavior, this atmosphere has forced him not to meet people. So the rubric is introvert because on meeting people his miseries will become more known to everyone. He remains aloof because there is a feeling in his heart that he looks wretched. He feels little bit happy when he is alone. Following rubrics. Number 1, company aversion to, alone when amulate. Company aversion to, fond of solitude, homesickness, strangers, presence of strangers aggravate, timidity awkward, timidity bashful. These are few rubrics. Explanation of few of the rubrics given under Natramure. Homesickness. So home is a place where person lives with his other family members with comfort. They all have a relationship of love and affection and person knows them all very well. He knows about their good or bad habit and often also known about it. So he is absolutely free there without any hitch. So what is sickness? There are two words in homesickness, home and sickness. Home we have described just now. So what is sickness? Sickness is a feeling of disgust at the thought, sight or just in the presence of something. This is not a big disease but is just a big discomfort and disgusted feeling. So homesickness, it is the feeling of disgust at the thought of being away from his own home, meaning the place of comfort. So he always wants to remain in his own home with his own people. So home is a small place, a confined area. So we can conclude that he wants to remain in place or in an act where he feels most free and comfortable. There is no burden on his mind, most comfortable in his is his routine work to his own limited circle. So he wants to remain confined to his own circle and of known people or very familiar routine, etc. So he does not want to go out of that area. He feels uncomfortable on going out of that area or out of that familiar area. Hence, he does not go among strange people or at places where the chances of exploring his weakness are there. So he does not get mixed up with other family member or other people. So following rubrics are company aversion to, strangers aversion to, presence of urinating during. Talk, late learning to talk. The rubric explanation is, what is talk? Talk is to tell about something to others and take their views. So this is done with a hope of getting some solution of his problems, because he himself is not able to get the proper solution to his problems with full confidence. So he wants a hint from others. That's why he has a strong desire to talk to others. Learning. What is learning is different from talk. So learning is to get skill or expertise to do something. So after learning, one can easily does that act or work. He himself can make various experiments in that work. He feels free while doing that work and there is no burden on his mind while doing that work. So this is learning. Late means take longer time than required by others to learn the same thing. So hence the meaning of full rubric is he takes very long time to prepare his mind to tell about his problem and to discuss it with the concerned person. He takes long time to prepare himself for this. He may be meeting with the concerned person, but in his mind he cannot decide. This is a timidity also. Or prepare a plan how to tell that person about his problems so that he can take his help. So this may be his timidity or maybe slightest fear of getting his weakness exposed. For example, I have been thinking of taking medicine from you since long, but could not gather the courage to tell it to you, or could not understand how to discuss it with you. So this is late learning. Whenever I meet you, I think to discuss about my disease with you, but I could never do so. But today I prepare myself to do so. So this is late learning to talk. I do not open myself easily in front of others. I take very long time. Only gradually I discuss my secrets or problems with others. So once he becomes familiar or exposes himself, he can freely talk. Meaning once he learns talking, he can freely talk about the problem to the concerned person, not to everyone, because he is secretive person. So he feels himself exclusive. Exclusive means no one is like him. Superior to everyone, but when he analyzes his position or state, means looking in the mirror, he finds himself in a very miserable condition and is below everyone else. He has many shortcomings. So he is at a lower level in every respect, like money wise, health wise, personality wise, social status wise. Hence, he does not want to do anything which lowers or which further lowers his position in the eyes of others, so that they may take pity on him or stop respecting him, which he feels that he is respected by everyone. This is his own imagination. So following rubrics corroborate this point of view. Company aversion to, strangers aversion to the presence of strangers during urination. Another rubric is looked at to be, cannot bear to be looked at, or weeping looked at when. So it means he cannot bear that others are looking at him. It is very troublesome situation, because when others are looking at him, his inferiority complex becomes active and feels that others are looking at him because he is looking miserable and dirty. Hence, he cannot bear the eyes of others. So he just moves out of their vision, feeling very sad, depressed, and weepy, or he just react to them violently in a rude manner just to prove that he is not that miserable or weak. Rubric is rudeness. He behaves rudely only to prove himself brave and superior so that others may not overpower him, but he himself feels better than others and is also feeling make him rude. The rubric is rudeness of employee to the chief. He wants to convey a message that do not consider him low. So do not take me lightly. I am also have got some values. Intolerant means when a load is put on it for up to a limit, he does not react back, but as the load increases, it reacts back, pushing the load away. Example, contradiction is intolerant, meaning he will react back if he is contradictory. During means when the process is on, and urination means act of passing urine. So this is how I study rubric. So this shows that he does not want to show his weakness to anyone. There is one more rubric, weeping looked at when. When someone is looking at him, he is trying to observe his condition. This is patient's own feeling. Others may not be looking at him with any bad intention or may not be looking at all. They might be looking at somewhere else. Natremure patient does not want to behave politely to anyone because he does not want to be looked down upon by anyone. So behaving properly is considered a sign of weakness, which Natremure never wants to look weak. So he takes the help of rude behavior. So this is a defense mechanism adopted by him. He wants to show that no one should take him for granted. He is an employee or subordinate does not mean that he can be overpowered by anyone. He is not inferior to anyone. So this is a kind of blasphemy. Let's understand with the help of a case. A girl aged 23 years has her menses after every 2 to 5 months. If during amenorrhea she begins to gain weight, the face becomes oily and full of papular and pustular eruptions, so becomes sad. It is since menarche. She took many types of treatment, but nothing good happened. She told that a friend of her was cured by my treatment and she has referred to me to you. I have come with a great hope. So this amounts to rubric light desire for. Patient has a great desire of being cured, and as soon as she came to me that she could be cured by me, she came to me. As if she is attracted towards the ray of hope, this gesture is commonly confused by superstitious or objective reasonable or credulous, but actual feeling can be understood by features, facial expression, body language, etc. Not only by listening the word used by the patient. Hence, it is very difficult to express the actual feeling the patient on the paper. You will have to imagine what the authority want to convey. So patient's mother tells that she becomes sad and irritable during amenorrhea and spends most of her time in her room. This is homesickness. She feels very bad and hence averse to go in front of people due to inferiority complex during that period. But when her face is okay, she can meet anyone. So rubrics I took was inferiority complex, grief silent, company aversion to ameliorated when alone, company aversion to fond of solitude, company aversion to pregnancy during. Patient says, I do not like such dirty face. I feel very bad, embarrassed, depressed. No girl has such ugly face. So she expressed this feeling in a very irritable tone. So this amounts to the rubric irritability, sadness with indignation pregnant while. So explanation of indignation is a strong displeasure at something deemed unworthy, unjust or base, right to us anger. So indignation is the feeling of shock and anger which you have when thought that people have done unjust and unfair, that you have a right to be angry. Example, she seethed with indignation. She seethed with indignation. Example, many taxpayers are indignant at what they regard as an illegal use of funds. Because they give public money, they give tax for the benefit of public, but government is just wasting them. So they find themselves as if they have got no right. Just government snatches money and spend it somewhere in useful things. So this is a kind of feeling because of this incidents, a person or state, he has not received honor, respect suitable to his or her worth, position and status, etc. Indignation is a kind of feeling of anger and insult when one does not receive the respect he expects, as if his or her dignity has been lowered in the eyes of others. I am just worth this much only. During pregnancy, the shape of body gets disfigured, which she does not welcome or accept. This happens with every pregnant lady, but Natramure does not want the same things happen to her as they happen with others. She does not want to be at par with the others. She feels undignified that this has happened with her because she feels herself exclusive, as if she is above all natural bondings. This coming herself at par with others is the real cause of her indignation because she does not want any of her weakness known to the public. She never accepts easily that same thing will happen with her as they happen with others because she thinks herself superior above all. But when she faces the reality means looking in the mirror, then she realizes how ugly, inferior, and miserable she looks. Then she comes to face the reality. Now, moreover, to be pregnant, a lady needs the help of male. This dependency on male for being pregnant is considered by her as male domination to her, showing that she is inferior to male. In fact, she is not, because this is a natural process. Whatever she has, male does not have. So, hence, in a way, both are incomplete and need the help of each other to be complete or to produce children to have enjoyment of life. So, none of our sex, none of our gender is incomplete or inferior to the other one. So, she demands an equal involvement during coition. She just does not want to be a passive partner, which is a sign of accepting male domination to her. When the pregnancy advances, it can be seen by everyone, proving that she had an intercourse with some male, which according to her is a sign of herself being dominated by male. She does not accept to look inferior to others. This is the main feeling of Natromure patient. Because of this means pregnancy, she or he just makes love with one of his or her own sex, homosexuality. Here both feel a sense of equality to one another. But this is unnatural. Or Natromure loves a married person. Here he feels superiority as he has snatched someone else's partner, proving himself superior. So to fall in love with one of his or her own sex or with a married person is not due to emotional weakness or an inclination towards other person, but this is a well thought of process. He is not a slave of his heart or emotions, but is using his intelligence to do it. So this again proves in his or her own eyes that he is superior to other or not inferior to anyone. Another rubric is company, aversion to, fond of solitude. So what is company? Company is being with people of his own likings or with anyone who is somehow related to him and are interacting or trying to interact with each other. Then it becomes company. Aversion means not feeling good or feel strong disliking for something. It is like it converted into disliking. Aversion is a liking converted into disliking. It means earlier he used to like that company. Now he is not. Fond, F-O-N-D, fond means having a strong liking for something as if he always wants to have it. For example, he is fond of praise. It means he wants to hear his praise all the time. Another meaning of fond is having very much liking for. Usually, this word is followed by of. Example, to be fond of animals, to be fond of sweets. He means he likes sweets or animals very much. Solitude, the quality or state of being alone or remote from society. This is seclusion means living alone. Hence, meaning of the rubric fond of solitude is he likes and enjoys to be alone, where he is not interfered by anyone, where nobody is there to peep into his personal life. By this, his weaknesses are exposed, which he never loves to. When he was asked to pay the fees, she just suddenly flared up and very harsh tone said, "This is abrupt and harsh. I will not pay so much. What is this? You may ask any amount," means blasphemy. This is too much. For a home pass, this much fees is too much. Why are you asking so much fees? You should ask reasonable fees. So this amounts to blasphemy. She is supposed to talk respectfully to the doctor, but she is not paying any heed to it. On the contrary, she is very rough and uncivilized. This behavior of her amounts to the rubric is insolence of servants to chief. So here that patient is like a servant, means at a lower level, and doctor is like a chief because he is at a higher level. So insolence is an uncivilized behavior which is not in his domain. Servant is a person who is at a very low position than his master and is supposed to respect and following his instruction. He is not supposed to contradict or oppose the master or chief. Chief, who is chief? Chief, he is a boss of someone, has a higher social position than the servant, and is supposed to give order to his subordinate or servants, and they are supposed to follow his orders and also to pay respect to him. So both chief and servant have their own social binding, then mutual relationship. But Natrum, your patient, does not accept these social norms or any kind of norm or bindings because he thinks himself superior than others and exclusive. He feels himself exclusive, that there is none like him. But his illusion of his superiority lasts till he realizes his reality, means looks in the mirror. Once he realizes his real position, state, he just filled up with inferiority complex because in fact he is lacking so many things. So his reality, he is an inferior person. But his mind does not let him accept as an inferior person. He feels himself of a person of a rank of a higher status. That's why he always feels indignified. So the inferiority complex of Natrum Yor can be understood by the following rubrics. There are so many rubrics. Delusion, pitied on account of his misfortune, and he wept. He is. Delusion, wretched, he looks when looking in the mirror. Dirtiness, dirtying everything. Indignation, pregnant while. Looked at, cannot bear to be looked at, aggravate mental symptoms. Pregnancy, mental affections in pregnancy. So she does not want to expose any of her weak point. So pregnancy is again a weak point for a lady according to her point of view. Means point of view of a Natrum Yor patient. So company aversion to presence of people is intolerable during urination. So note, it seems that some rubric is explained again and again. But if we observe carefully, it will be noticed that we are trying to understand the rubric from different angles. So there is no repetition in the whole topic. Explanation of the word urination. Urination, it is an act which person, means male person, can do at a public place also, that is in the presence of others, while female do not. So in the presence of others, known or unknown to him, but to pass stool, defecation is always done in a lonely place. Hence this rubric is not given in Natrum Yor case. So Natrum Yor patient takes lot of time to start urination, and also the stream of the urine has very little force in it. This is a kind of his weakness. When somebody is nearby, him so feels shy and nervous because his attention is more on other person present there. Due to this, urination is further slowed down. So this creates an indignation of embarrassment feeling in him. So this slow passage of urine, is in his eyes is a weak point. He feels that what impression about him other people might be getting. Definitely they will get the negative impression of him. What he is doing for such a long time, why is not passing urine, means he will be lower in the eyes of others. This is his weakness which is being exposed. If some feeling is analogized with a person present in the clinic, same feeling how can we perceive in the clinic? This we are going to see. A patient just looks around. If there is someone nearby who might hear their conversation or tells to the doctor in a very, very low, hesitant voice so that nobody should listen to him. So he does not want to let his weaknesses being exposed. So when he is telling about his sickness, he is very conscious about the presence of others in the vicinity. There are so many other rubrics which corroborate these feeling. Number one, weeping, consolation, aggravate, weeping, impossible though sad, weeping, looked at when, weeping, pitied if he believes he is pitied, weeping when alone, grief, silent, affectation. What is affectation for a natural patient? He wants to show that he is at a level higher than others, though he knows that he is not. But he is a wretched person. So feeling of superiority to others is false. So he tries to assume a gesture and posture which reflects his supremacy. Avarice. Generosity towards strangers, avarice as regards his family. Booster, braggart. Consolation, kind words aggravate. Sympathy, aggravate. Generous, strangers for. Grief, cry cannot. Indignation, pregnant while. Washing always her hands. Now, these are few rubrics. The same feeling develops in him during pregnancy also. She looks, she also takes herself as undignified. When she becomes pregnant, she feels herself undignified, as if she is of a lower grade. Because to be pregnant is the sure sign of having intercourse with the male, which according to her is a kind of male domination, means she is under someone and is of lower grade than the male with whom she had intercourse. So this is a sign of weakness in her eyes. So on being pregnant, her weakness is made known to everyone that she has subdued herself to the sexual desire of some male. So this is a wrong way of her thinking, because to be pregnant is the sign of her completeness, fulfillment, and in India considered as God's grace. So it is pregnancy is always celebrated in India. This is not a shameful act, but for natural male patient it is shameful. So that is whether weaker than male. That is why she was or is being overpowered by the male. So this sense of domination by male is very much troubling to her. She does not want to be obliged by anyone. She does not want to feel obliged to God even. Blames and says all kind of insulting words to God. God means to some higher authority, anyone. This is equivalent to blasphemy and ungratefulness. If she is supposed to get some work done by somebody, she just asks in a rude and unauthoritative way. She does not want to bend in front of anyone, means does not want to bow down with in front of anyone, as if the person doing her work is not doing any favor to her, but it is her right to get the work done. This is her ungratefulness. For example, a man goes to any government office to get some genuine work done, but India, no government employees want to do even genuine work done without bribe. This is the situation. So the employee just makes excuse for not doing his work. Then he just prattles all kind of dirty words within his mouth. This is howling. If someone has done his work without troubling him, even then he is not obliged to him. This is ungratefulness. He just says rudely by doing any work, they have not done any favor to me, but this was his right or their duty to get the work done. So they are paid for it. So they are being fed on taxpayers' money. He says all kind of words showing his ungratefulness and rudeness. He just cannot flow with the mainstream of the society. Why? Because he feels himself superior and considered others as inferior in every way. So Natramure patient does not make friends. He has a very less friend, a very few friends, only exclusive because he himself is exclusive. So no one matches his to his taste. On being pregnant, this is a sign of ungratefulness, rudeness, sense of exclusiveness. So on being pregnant, this is the reason of feeling indignant. So the normal common lady who is suffering like morning sickness, loss of appetite, pain, weakness, vertigo, etc., the family members are trying to help her and also showing their sympathy to her, trying to console her, like saying she is in great trouble. How this poor lady will live with such sufferings for the whole 9 months. So this expression of sympathy and taking pity on her is a very pinching to her. So self-esteem is too much. Natram, yours self-esteem is too much. She does not want to bow down or bend in front of everyone. So she expresses her annoyances by saying all kind of words. Only the ladies have to suffer in every field. Why not men? God has not done justice with ladies. This is blasphemy. Social structure is also against ladies. So the men just enjoy and makes ladies pregnant and leave them aside to suffer. This is her rudeness. I can't tolerate all this nonsense, etc. So this annoyance is generated out of feeling of indignation. When the pregnancy advances, her body just loses good figure, her gait changes, but Natramure is very figure conscious lady because this figure makes her beautiful and gives sense of superiority and dignity to her. So she wants to keep her figure well, but during pregnancy, this just get disfigured, which gives her the sense of shame. So Natramure uses his intelligence more than her emotion. The same emotional setup or mental feeling can be applied to any of other situations. So pregnancy does not mean actual pregnancy at a certain level. So whatever I have described above during the feeling during the pregnancy can be applied to any situation. Suppose he has got some abscess, then people will pity on him. Or she is poor in any way, people will pity on her. She is not looking good, people will pity on her. So any abnormal condition on which people take pity her or him, so he doesn't like it. So the same emotional setup, mental feeling can be applied to any of the other situation because the situation which appear to be absolutely different but may produce or are producing same kind of undignified feelings, then the same remedy can be used under all circumstances.